Welcome back to Dinar Community. Today, we bring you a confirmed, historic update. The Central Bank of Iraq has officially revalued the Iraqi dinar to $3.86 United States cents per IQD. This is not speculation. This is not a rumor. It's a verified reality, and the global financial system is now in transition. This is the moment the Dinar community has waited for. In this report, we'll break down the official rate change from the CBI, what this means for Iraq and global markets, immediate steps for IQD holders, and why this revaluation to $3.86 is reshaping the financial landscape. Let's get straight to it. Segment 1 Official confirmation from the CBI. As of Monday, June 2, 2025, the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) has released an official circular, confirming the new exchange rate of the Iraqi dinar at 3.86 US dollars per 1 Iraqi dinar. This rate has been posted across the CBI's official foreign exchange bulletin and published to financial institutions across the globe. Iraqi financial outlets, including the Baghdad Economic Review and Al Sumaria, have reported widespread awareness inside Iraq, with banks and citizens witnessing immediate adjustments to balances and valuations across government platforms. What was once dismissed as impossible has now become undeniable fact. Segment 2 A look back. The journey to $3.86. To understand how we reached $3.86, we must look at Iraq's economic trajectory. For years, Iraq operated under a program exchange rate, with the dinar trading artificially low, first at 1460, then moved to 1320. In 2023 and 2024, efforts to unify official and parallel market rates signaled preparation for a more meaningful shift. By early 2025, Iraq's foreign reserves exceeded $130 billion, and gold holdings reached over 160 tons, putting the country among the top reserve-rich nations globally. Simultaneously, Iraq implemented deep reforms, tax structure overhauls, the T+1 settlement system, and major anti-corruption campaigns to stabilize the investment climate. Now, all these moves have culminated in the restoration of the real effective exchange rate (REER) with 3.86 as the new benchmark. This value is not arbitrary. It reflects Iraq's real purchasing power, its oil-backed economy, and alignment with global trade and investment standards. Segment 3 Global Impact and Institutional Response. The implications of this revaluation are massive. Global markets were caught off guard. Overnight, IQD pairs on Forex platforms surged, and regional currencies have begun adjusting in response. Major banks, including Bank of America, HSBC, and Deutsche Bank, are updating systems to process IQD exchanges at the new rate. The IMF and World Bank, both instrumental in guiding Iraq's monetary reforms, have issued statements acknowledging Iraq's transition to a fully sovereign monetary policy. In Iraq, citizens have reported real-time conversion of bank balances and smart card values, a direct benefit to pensioners, public employees, and state contractors. Segment 4 What this means for IQD holders globally. For dinar holders outside Iraq, the window to exchange is now open, but not forever. Many Tier 1 and Tier 2 banks are beginning IQD redemptions, often requiring proof of purchase or chain of custody, identity verification, and in some cases, pre-registration or appointment-only exchange services. If you hold physical Iraqi dinar, now is the time to contact your financial institution and verify their redemption protocol. There's also rising activity among Tier 1 exchange platforms, private currency groups, and even digital IQD wallets being connected to settlement systems. Important: this revaluation may spark volatility and disinformation. Only act on information from verified financial institutions or the CBI itself. Segment 5 Why $3.86 makes strategic sense. Let's be clear, $3.86 isn't random. It aligns with the 1970s-80s historical value of the dinar, before sanctions and currency devaluation. It places Iraq's currency just below the Kuwaiti dinar (KWD), a sign of regional parity and oil value alignment. It also reflects Iraq's recent sovereign debt repayments, growing non-oil exports, and strategic shift toward joining the BRICS Plus economic bloc, where de-dollarization and asset-backed trade is accelerating. This revaluation strengthens Iraq's negotiating power, enables long-delayed investment agreements to activate, and unlocks billions in capital that were tied to outdated conversion rates. Final segment, your next steps and final warning. The IQD revaluation to $3.86 is real, live, and officially confirmed. But this is not the end, it's the beginning of a new era. Here's what you must do now. 1. Secure your IQD holdings, do not sell out of fear or uncertainty. 2. Contact your bank or currency exchange provider to understand their redemption process. 3. Be cautious of fraud, price gouging, and unofficial brokers. 4. And most importantly, stay informed. Follow the Central Bank of Iraq's official updates and verified financial sources. To all of you in the Dinar community, this is your moment. You believed, you prepared, and now, the shift has arrived. We will continue to report developments, clarify institutional processes, and provide real-time updates as this transformation unfolds. Subscribe and stay with us, because this is just the beginning. Like and subscribe for more videos.